Hello everyone, myself Harsh Kumar.
I am Isha.
I am Anjali.
I am Priyanshu. We are the students of BSc Chemistry Honours first year.
Our aim is to analyze the given mixture of acid and basic radical.
Dropper, spatula, test tube holder, dilute H2SO4, concentrated H2SO4, HCl and given salt.
First of all, in the preliminary test, we will note the color of the mixture, which is white. So, Cu2 positive, Fe2 positive, Fe3 positive, Cr3 positive, Mn2 positive, CO2 positive, and nickel 2 positive are absent. Now we will add the given salt and water and check for the characteristic smells. No characteristic smell is observed. NH4 positive, CH3CO negative, and S2 negative are absent.
Now we are performing dry heating test. Observations are sharp crackling noise, reddish brown fumes. So PbNO3 hold twice, BaNO3 hold twice, NaCl, KBr, Ki are present.
Now we are performing flame test. No characteristic flame is observed. Na positive, K positive, Cu2 positive, Ba2 positive, Sr2 positive, Cr2 positive are absent.
Now we are performing dilute H2SO4 test and the wet test for acid radical.
बाद में बात करूँगा वीडियो बना लेगा ठीक है
Now we will add dilute H2SO4 in the given
प्रशांत
and shake it well.
No reaction take place. Cr3 to negative, HCO3 negative, S2 negative, SO3 to negative, S2O3 to negative are absent.
For concentrated H2SO4 test, we will add concentrated H2SO4 in the given salt.
Now allow it to dry and
Condition
then
of
after
gas
drying,
pungent
oh, I took
gold
gold.
and O3 negative may be present.
In the conformity test for nitrate, we are performing the ring test. And now we will add the FeSO4 solution in the salt mixture. And now we will add H2SO4 to it. A dark brown ring at the junction of two layers is formed and NO3 negative is confirmed. Now we are performing the test for basic radical, for which, for group 1, now we will add the radical to the salt mixture. As a result, PPD is found and group 1 presence is observed.
For the presence of group 2, we are passing H2S gas from the mixture in presence of dilute HCl. Now we can see that black PPT is formed.
Confirming the presence of group 2, so Pb2 positive may be present. Conformity test for Pb2 positive. First of all, we will add dilute HCl to the solution.
Over there, guys. For the अच्छा ये बात
And then filter the white PPT form with the help of filter
साइड
paper.
वीडियो भेज दियो मैं तुम्हारी मेरे को नहीं मन
Now we will wash the residue with the cold
फिर
water.
H2S वाली है ये तो हमने H2S वाली है ना वो वाली है ammonium carbonate लो now we will transfer the residue of the filtrate into the test tube. And boil it. Now we will add potassium iodide. Yellow PPT is formed confirming Pb2 positive.
So acid radical is NO3 negative and basic radical is Pb2 positive.